sobrang blessed ako that you came into our lives. And I know that, and always remember that I'm very, very proud of you. I love you so much. And lagi akong nag-root for you sa lahat ng magiging endeavor mo sa life mo. I know, by God's grace, matutupad mo lahat ng purposes ni God sa'yo. And ngayon pa lang, at a very young age, you're inspiring a lot of people. So I'm very proud of you. I love you so much. And happy birthday!
We could, we're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows. Going for
Happy birthday, Seth. Message ko sa'yo, thank you. Pinapasaya mo kami ni Mommy and Daddy. Thank you dahil obedient ka kay Mommy and kay Daddy. Mabait na brother kay Judah. Grateful kami sa wisdom mo sa Bible kasi share mo kay Daddy, di ba? Yung love mo kay Jesus, yun ang isa pang greatest gift ni Lord sa amin. Yung pag-love mo kay Jesus, yung faith mo, yung sa mga opera, yung brave ka. So, ang galing kung paano gumalaw si Lord sa life mo. Proud, marami may proud sa'yo, marami may love sa'yo. Pero ang hindi nila alam, yung obedient ka, mabait ka as brother, love mo yung lola mo, relatives mo, di ba? Pag sinasharean mo ako ng Bible, ng Jesus yung faith mo. So, sobrang proud kami ni Mami sa'yo. Sobrang gift ka ni Lord sa amin na wala kaming masabi. So, thank you and happy birthday. We love you. Happy birthday.
through the highs and lows.